So guys, welcome back to the tutorials from exire.com. If you want to visit exire.com, you can visit and you will find all the tutorials we have uploaded on YouTube will be there, and you can even search the tutorials and download the code which we are developing here. You can download all the codes which we show in our tutorial, and you can also visit exzi.re to shorten your long URLs. Short URL shortening service is a service where you can compress your URLs to a bit of characters which can be easily shared and easy to remember, or easy to be typed by the user in the browser if you want to use those URLs in your email marketing or software, uh, like software promotion or SMS marketing, wherein the users have to just type a couple of characters and they'll land on the URLs provided by you. So now what we'll have to do, we'll have to design the login page for here. I'll remove all these things. I don't like all these things at all. I'll keep this search box so that it will give a kind of look for something. So let's start. So we'll have our home page. I'm removing this jumbotron. It will look good. Yeah, I'm removing the container section. Yeah. Hmm. So we have this container and jumbotron hello world. So we'll say login. Now we have started with the coding part, for which everybody was very eager. I'll remove this. We'll have R. So I'll central CENTER. Central block has been removed from Bootstrap 4, I suppose. So leave it. So we'll say another div. We'll say class login main, just to show you. We'll have default theme, so we will define the class. Guys, these classes are as of now blank because I am not at all concentrating on the design part. We have this default theme. We can change this default theme at any point of time and you'll have a new look, and instead we can help each other for by creating new themes just by modifying this default theme, the CSS, and distributing it to each other, and we'll be having a lot of designs for this, and that will be kind of a good thing for everybody. Okay, now where is my code? This is my code. There are too many pages, so I'll zoom it also. Then div class form group, and we'll say email and div class form group. We'll say form group and say password, and we'll refresh this. So these are two groups we are making, and I suppose input type. Guys, I'm not a good designer. I'll try to use Bootstrap only, and you can help me in designing so that I can also learn something from you guys. Input type text. Input type text, class form control, and I'll copy this and we'll modify this. so we don't use input type text for password, we have password. We'll rearrange this things and we'll say, so now this is, oh my god. So guys, these are my some test usernames I'm what I'm using for the tutorials on the local host, various tutorials, so kindly avoid it. And we'll have to put a button div, and we have class form for form group, and we have button, or what I'll do, instead of button I'll take a tag, a class btn, btn primary, btn lg. You can use the size as per your requirement. So login, yeah, seems cool. And we'll use one response div also, div class form group. I'll just copy and paste for being a bit faster, and id for this will be login response. So guys, I'll be using ajax to login here, and this is the email, this is the password. And before this we'll have to set up the user account in the database, and we can do it later. So we'll have to define the IDs to identify the data through ajax. So this one is email, email, and ID shall be passkey. Okay guys, I'm doing one more thing. I'm adding one more class to this input boxes, so that whenever you design anything, you can design as per your wish. Login text input. So control C, control V. We have where is CSS? Then we have login sub btn login submit button. So guys, side by side we are preparing the customization part for our portal as well, and yeah, seems good. And now I'll show you one more thing. We have been using this header files. Now you'll say, what was the use of this bloody header file? We could have called these files in the index pages. Baby, now listen to this very carefully and see to it. Why I wanted you to use this folder structure and the modular structure. If first, wait, I have something more to show you. So before starting this PHP tag, we have something else, scri the script, script script. I will do one more thing, script type text javascript. Yo, and now will not be doing such things anymore. So guys, see, if dollar page double equals to home, then only we'll be calling this script for the login section. Okay, So you'll have to close the PHP tag, and then we have to define our click function. So document document dollar document, okay, on click, click, document on click, and what we have to click is the ID of login button. We haven't defined the ID of login button since yet, so we'll define the ID. We'll copy the same, it will be easy for us to remember. Where is our header files? This one is our header file. So for ID we use hash, so on click hash function. So first I'll close this function, otherwise I'll forget this and it will give an error. So we have function, then we write event, event, and we start and close the curly braces, control shift F. This is rearranged, and first we'll test that whether we have written every code properly or every single line properly or not. So this is a control R, so there should be an alert. Yeah, we are through with that. So this is guys taking a kind of 10 minutes. I'll be closing this tutorial right here, so that you don't have to waste a lot of time. So guys, I'm trying to divide this video tutorial not more than 10 to 20 minutes, minimum 10, maximum 20 minutes kind of thing, so that whosoever is stuck at any point can resume from that point only, and you don't have to go through or search the whole video once again. Or if you are facing any problem in a particular section, or if you want to share a particular section, you can straight away refer to the particular video. Thanks a lot. So guys, thank you for watching this video. You can visit exire.com if you want to see all the videos and tutorials from exire.com, and you can subscribe on YouTube if you wish to receive the future updates from YouTube regarding this channel. Also, you can share this video and spread the information and knowledge among others if you want to. And you can also visit exzi.re to shorten your long URLs. This is a URL shortening service provided free of charge by Exire to all the users. For more details, you can visit exzi.re. Thanks a lot.